Hello everyone, so let's talk about sponges and Cnidarians. So sponges, here are the pictures of the different sponges in which you can find these in a shallow coastline areas, especially on the coast or in the sea or in the ocean as long as also. Then we do have also the Cnidarians. We have the corals, the jellyfish, and we do have here and the sea anemones. So these four are the examples of Cnidarians. So speaking of Cnidarians, literally means that you have stinging cells or stinging creatures. And incredibly, they are diverse animal in form. Yet they are all share the distinguishing feature of stinging cells or cnidocytes, which often contain tiny harpoon-like nematocysts. So the Cnidarians phylum includes sea jellies, anemones, corals, siphonophores, and hydroids. Next are the words to know or the vocabulary words. The first one is the sessile. It is unable to move about freely, or it's immovable. An means not. Next, it's the larva. The larva is the early form of a developing animal. It's like a caterpillar. So it undergoes the different stages and processes until they will form metamorphosis. So it's like the larva, early form. Egg larva. Next, spicules. The spicules refers to the needle-like structures or the thread-like structures of the body of an organism. So these are the first three words to know. And next, let's move on to hermaphrodites. Hermaphrodites refers to both sperm and egg cells. They do have as two sex cells. The polyp, it's a sessile cnidarian with a vase-shaped body. Sessile means immovable. So it has a vase-shaped body. Cnidarians, an invertebrate, means the invertebrate, it has no backbone, has specialized stinging cells used for defense and the capture of prey. Another is Medusa, a free-swimming cnidarians with a ball-shaped body. And the stinging cell, it's a free-swimming cnidarians with a ball of shaped body. Now, let's move on to invertebrates. Animals can be classified into two large groups. The first one is the vertebrate, and the second one is invertebrate. Speaking of invertebrate, it has no backbone or without a backbone. When I say vertebrate, it has a backbone or with a backbone. It's like in our body, we do have a backbone. We do have, if you're gonna check or touch behind our back, we could find the bones in our back. So invertebrates make up about 97% of all animals. And many invertebrates are protected by shells or other outer coverings. Without those, nothing can protect them. So these are the sponges again. They are the simplest invertebrates. And adult sponges are sessile or immovable. And then most species live in warm, shallow salt water near coastlines. And some species are found in the deep ocean or fresh water. And they often live in colonies or in group. Next is the food and oxygen. Water is drawn into the pores and into the central cavity. Because the pores, it's a small opening outside the sponge body. As you can see on the picture, it has it has the pores. The process brings in food and oxygen. And food is digested and filtered by the collar cells, and oxygen is removed from the water. And then water leaves the hole in the top of the body. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.